today we will see like some more commands on TCL scripting in HyperMesh. So let's start. So firstly, let me create a node. So let me create by 1, 10 and 100. So these are coordinates I'm seeing. 1 in X, 10 in Y and Z, 100, and coordinate system I'm using as 0, 0. The default coordinate system I'm using. So I created one free node here. So let me check the command what it's saying. It is saying like create node and 1 is this, 10 is this and 100 is this. Let us again confirm this by using Chrome. You can type and see what is the command in for create node. Yeah, so create node and it is saying XYZ is the first inputs. So let me just create some node with a coordinate with command create node 0 0 0. It will create on the origin. It has created. Okay, if we want to further check it, let's check this. So yeah, it has created in origin. So my first command will be this. Okay, so now if you want to create some other nodes, suppose here one. Okay, so ideally it should create two nodes here. So I clear all free nodes. Let's try. So yeah, it has created two nodes. Now, if I want to create 100 nodes uh, with x 1 to 100 and y and z is 0, how to do it? So for that, we can use the while loop. So how to use the while loop? We will see using Chat GPT. So while loop in TCL. So yeah, so there is one condition while which we need to fulfill. So we can use this. Okay, we'll use this command. Let's see. So I think this should write up to 4. Yeah, so it has written up to 5. Sorry, it will write up to 5. It is less than or equal to 5, whichever condition it is fulfilled. To, or if I do less than 5, let's see whether it works or not. So so yeah, it has worked up to 4. Okay, so while our while loop is working, yeah. So let me do this. Set I while it is up to less than 11, and instead of that what I will do is I will put create node this column, and here I will do $I as I'm setting my variable as 1, that is I variable, and I variable I'm using here. So for first time it will use 1 2 3. So for instance, let us suppose for 200 let us create some nodes, and I will clear this nodes. Okay, let's see whether we can create 100 nodes or not by using just 4 lines of this codes. Yeah, so your 100 node is created. Okay, I can see this 100 nodes is created. So once these nodes are created, now what we can do here is like we can create tags. Let's for example I want to create one tag here, and to see what how to create this tag using TCL. So let me just use this node 1. Let's try to create this node 1. Let's see the command. What is this called? Start tag create nodes 1 node 1 and this. Let me create some other thing. So understand this command. This I can create, and for example, let's create this. So okay, so let's see this. I think this is node number only. Let me confirm this by using this HyperMesh TCL using Google. So it says like star tag. Okay, okay, ID and entity ID. Okay, and it says like if it is one, it's a node. If it is two, it's an element. Okay, we don't want this. We want, sorry, we don't want star tag. We want star tag create. Star tag. Let me open this. Sorry. Yeah. So let me check this one. 1 second. Yeah, it will come here. Star tag create. STTAG. Mm, it's not there. Okay. Finally, we have found it. Start tag create. So it says like entity ID. So nodes 100 and what do you want? Okay. Nodes, node number and what the text you want. So in this way, we can copy up to here and let us create some tags. So node ID I need it. I just put here too. Let's see whether it is working or not. So it has created top here. Okay, not bad. So we will iterate this. So how can we do it? So firstly, based on the displayed node, firstly let me delete these tags. Okay, based on the displayed node, we can create mark. So star create mark nodes one and displayed. Okay, so this will just create a mark and add the displayed nodes to that mark one. So you can see this 100 nodes have been created by using mark. Not created. It has been assigned to nodes one. Now I will set one variable set nodes t. Okay, get mark nodes one. Okay, and I will say puts check this nodes t. So it should write it. I think all nodes. Okay, get mark. It's not working. Okay, it is hm underscore get mark. I think. Yeah, let's see this. Yeah, so it is working. So we have one created one variable nodes underscore t which contains all the displayed node IDs. Now what I want is for loop I will say for each each node id in star this variable. So I will delete this also because I don't need to print this. Okay, this will be also in curly braces. Okay, now I need to create this nodes, and this will be one second. Let me just check this for loop. Okay, for each ID. Okay, not in. Sorry, my bad. Okay, got it. Yeah. So nodes ID this and okay, this will be my for loop for each, and this will be the ending. Okay, so tags I'm creating this, and here instead of this I will put here node ID. Okay, and simple I need this again node ID this. So let's see whether this is working or not. Okay, so you can see here the node ID has been created for all nodes. So suppose this node ID is written like this, and I will check whether this node number is same or not. Yeah, so it is same. Okay, now our task is to create 1 lakh nodes and to assign the node and to create one mark also for each node. So firstly, what I can do here is I can clear this tags and I can clear this all. Okay, now it is very simple. Like I will delete this set one, and I need this. So it is, if this number is 1 lakh 1, if I is less than 1 lakh 1, then it will create nodes. So it will create 1 lakh nodes. Then it will create for all these node IDs. So it's pretty straightforward and funny script. Let's try this. It may take a lot of time. Let's see. Okay. Let's see how much time it will take. Let's hope. Sorry, my laptop crashed. Let's try with just 1000, and because this I'm working in laptop, this is not a workstation kind of thing, powerful workstation. So let's try just with 1000. I think with 1000 should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. So what happened? Okay, yeah. I think it has created. If I'm not wrong, yeah. So if you see here, and if you see at the last also, it has created. Okay, so that is how you can play around with this TCL. So today we have seen like how to create notes and how to assign tags, and this is the script, small script we have used. Thank you. Have a great day.